Managing time has a significant role in attaining high scores in OET. If you are an OET candidate who is struggling hard with OET writing, then this video is for you. Well, my name is Bindya and in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to manage time in OET writing. One of the common problems among students, especially if they were practicing OET writing at home, was that they were not able to do their test as they originally intended. This can be due to panic or stress. But if you follow the simple steps what I'm about to tell you, I am sure OET writing will be an easy module for you. Well, we know that OET has given us 45 minutes to complete this task. I'll be guiding you through each and every minute so that you will know what to do. Again, OET has divided this 45 minutes into two parts. 5 minutes for preparation and 40 minutes for writing. But the fact is that you don't need the whole 40 minutes just to write a letter which just consists of 180 to 200 words. So, you have to divide the given time appropriately to get the maximum benefit. Now, let's talk on what you have to do on the first 5 minutes. In the first 5 minutes, what is given to you in order to prepare your letter, you're basically brainstorming the information what is given to you to make a good letter. You'll go and understand the reader, his job role, the purpose of the letter, and the justification for your purpose. Once you're clear with these informations, then you will be moving to the case note to find out relevant information. You got to pick each and every information that is important for your reader to do what's asked from him. And after that, you have to sequence your letter logically so that your reader can clearly understand what are you trying to tell them. Now, your 5 minutes will be done and you will be asked to start writing. So, in the next 5 minutes, you are going to make a draft. So before starting to write a letter, it is always important to make a draft. When I tell you to make a draft, I literally mean that you got to make a skeleton of your letter. By doing this, you'll be clear with the sentences you're about to make, with the linking words, punctuations, and the informations. So when you're writing, you won't be confused. Only after making your draft, then move on with your writing. Now, when you write, ensure that you write legibly. Your reader should easily understand what you have written there. You should be clear with your spelling, with your grammar, and your punctuations. You have to only spend 30 minutes for this, and then towards the end, there is another 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, you have to edit and proofread what you have written. This is very important. Basically, you are going to read the whole letter again and again just to find out your mistake. It is very important that you find mistake yourself before your examiner finds it out. So you go through each and every sentences. Now, if your sentences are really long, cut it down and make small sentences. If your sentences are not clear for your reader, then rub the whole sentence and make a new one. Check your spellings, punctuations, and grammar points. Once you have done these, then you're ready to submit a very good letter. Now, if you adapt all these strategies in managing time while you're practicing OET writing, I'm sure you're going to attain success in OET writing without much stress. Thank you.